Oh my gosh, guys, I haven't posted for a long time. I just got on the bed real quick. That's why I have a good intro, you know. Another flood. I don't think you guys remember, but like, I haven't posted a video for a long time. This is crazy. I've had another flood. The last flood I had was like back in 2023. But this is crazy, guys. I don't get why we keep having floods. Like, I woke up this morning and I just saw bits of water on my bed. Not on my bed, but like, I saw bits of water on the floor. I was like, what? I went downstairs and there was like a full pool. I was like, what? Filled to the top. But I still got my snack because I still had food because my food was in a bag. So luckily I had food in the bag. I didn't know when this was going to happen. Well, yeah. Just so you know, I'm not floating on water. I'm on the bed. I'm on my mum's bed. My mum and dad are at work, but they left before the flooding started. But they live like quite far away, so then what am I saying? Their work lives quite far away, so actually a good thing they have my dog. It's just me and my brother right now. It's crazy. So tired. I don't think we can even sleep. Right now, no one's even fixing the drains. It's crazy. Free water, right? Even though I hate water, I don't even like water. Anyways, better practice my swimming, right? Okay, let me just try and bridge you guys to move. There you go. Practice. Out of 10. Was that a good dive? Anyways, guys, I probably gotta go. A talk. Good seeing you. I haven't seen you, but like good. While doing another video, the olden times. Anyways, bye guys.